How to redeem gift card on Crunchyroll. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to redeem gift card on Crunchyroll. In order to redeem gift card, you'll have to follow the steps. So first thing first, what you want to do is open up a browser, and on the web address bar, you want to type in www.crunchyroll.com/redeem. That will take you to the page where you could directly go ahead and redeem it. But first of all, you'll have to either create an account or login. So I'm gonna go ahead and log into my account. I'm gonna type in my information. So when I do it, so here I'll be asked to type in the gift card number. So what I have to do is go ahead and enter in my gift card number and then click the continue button. And as soon as you do that, you'll be taken to the next field where you'll be able to see some sort of statement or how it's gonna work and all that. So you read it out, and that's the way you could redeem gift card on Crunchyroll. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.